MV88 ready. Thanks so much. Awesome. Can't wait to unbox this. Alright guys, so now I just alright now so okay, cut. You're very annoying. So I find this always very exciting, unboxing a new product. So now we are now about to unbox the Shure MV88 digital stereo condenser microphone. Here's my little rugged. She's about to make some noise. Go ahead, make some noise. You're allowed to make some noise.
Hello. Hello. Well, I don't know what to say.
Sing a little bit.
No, I don't want to sing.
Say something. Say some things.
Something.
That's it?
Yeah. Come on. Well, I don't have a lot to say.
Okay, back up over there. Towards back up. Go ahead, say something.
Something.
Like pretend like you're when you're doing a cooking show.
Well, guess what? We have some sauce right here, and it is ready to be poured out into the spaghetti.
Okay, that's good. Thank you for your participation. I'll call you when we're ready to compare it with the Shure MV88 condenser microphone.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right, testing. Can you hear me? Testing, testing, test. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Back. I figured out something else. Okay, introduce yourself.
Do you want me to wash dishes, empty the dishes, put away the food, make food? I made brownies. You guys ate off most of it.
Talk normal. Like how you talk. Hear me talk.
This is me talking. This is how I talk. I talk like this. This is me talking. You want to hear me? I'm talking louder. Gotta go put away the hammock. I have to get my clothes. Yeah, that's all I have. Thank you for watching Rushed Hour Meal.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so the Shure MV88 digital stereo condenser microphone has been attached on the side of the phone, and I'm sure the sound quality of this video is better than usual. So I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos comparing different microphones. It was a really tough decision, but I decided to choose this, Shure. I want to say thanks for tuning in, staying connected. For more tips and advice, just stand by. I'll be creating more videos and I inspire all of you to just do your best. You can do it. Follow your dreams. Don't give up. Thanks and take care. Goodbye.